are in the Bemina area right now, and quite clearly what's happening in the Middle East with the kind of war-like situation. Israel fighting in multiple fronts, Iran firing barrage of missiles towards Israel, and then this tension, the effects of this are being felt in the Kashmir Valley as well. Now, right now, this is a protest that is coming out in the Khomeini Chowk area in Bemina, as hundreds of people, mostly from the Shia community, are out and protesting against Israel and America, showing their open support and solidarity with Iran and also Hezbollah. They say that they are with Iran because it quite clearly is an Israeli aggression. It is uncalled for, and they will try their best to support in whichever way they will show solidarity to Israel and Hezbollah. So that really is the sentiment, and I can tell you that there are similar protest demonstrations that have been reported from various other parts of the Kashmir Valley, especially Badgam, Patan and other areas where similar scenes are being witnessed. As far as the authorities are concerned, they have already appealed through social media that there should be absolutely nothing put out on social media or other platforms that will be seen as inflammatory and that will lead to violence. Though these protests thus far have been very peaceful, even on the very first day when Hassan Nasrallah was killed, there were massive protest rallies, but they importantly were peaceful. There were no incidents of violence. But then in Kashmir, things can snowball and they can really take different turn, and that is why authorities are taking absolutely no chances. As you can see, there are banners like these where there are Iranian leaders. Then there is also the picture of Hassan Nasrallah, Hamas leaders as well. So this is the kind of solidarity they are showing. And while these protests, as I said, have been very peaceful, but there definitely is anger against Israel, anger against US. And what they are saying is that this is an absolutely uncalled for act, because Israel has been on the war front, be it Gaza and now in Lebanon. So this is something that is slowly building up as far as Kashmir Valley is concerned, but importantly peaceful. At the same time, authorities taking absolutely no chances, and there is a deployment of security forces everywhere to ensure that the day goes on peacefully. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Bemina for India Today.